Is Windows Update failing on your PC, and now you're seeing error 0x800f081f? It's frustrating, updates won't install, and it keeps happening over and over. But don't worry. I'll show you how to fix this fast with a few simple steps. This error usually means Windows can't find the files it needs to finish the update. Your computer is not broken. Windows just needs a little help, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. Click Start and go to Settings. Then go to System, Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click Run. Windows will scan for problems and apply repairs automatically. This tool resets common update problems automatically. When it finishes, restart your PC and try the update again. For the next step, we will search Run and type Optional Features and click Enter. When that window opens, we will want to enable .NET Framework 3.5. This process may take a while, so I will skip to the end. When it finishes, try to install the updates again. If you still have issues, continue to the next step. We will want to run command line as an admin. First, we are going to stop the Windows Update Service, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and the Cryptographic Service. When those services stop, we will want to re-enable them. I will put the exact commands in the description below. If updates still fail, the update itself may be broken or your system files may need deeper repair. At that point, you can try advanced tools like DISM or SFC. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more simple Windows fixes. You can also download my free Windows Quick Fix Starter Guide. The link is in the description. And check out my blog posts for extra tips.